Hello everyone, it's Jean, and I am here with my flip through of the mini journal with the folios in it, and the theme is a French blue chateau. And on the cover I have this really lovely digital from the Graphics Fairy of the chateau, and I put in some trim around it. On the spine I've added this little charm, which is made up of a vintage earring, and I've added like a little key, like it's the key to our chateau. And add some more trim here on the bottom. So it's got a soft lace spine, and it's closed, of course, with a ribbon tie. So we'll get started here on the inside. So here is the first folio, and I believe there's 4 of them in here. And this one has some belly band with some journaling cards on tucked in, and this could be a lovely flower from our garden. This little tag, and a digital French postcard, something that we want to keep. And here is an accordion flip out of avocado dyed paper that has, can write on both sides of that, with a ephemera with sort of like an upholstery sample on it, perhaps, tucked here on the inside underneath that belly band. And here is a little notepad that comes out, and it's got some little pieces of paper in here, a little random paper that can slip right inside that pocket. And also in that pocket is, it's in here, another, a little French receipt, of something that we may have purchased, or the lady of the house may have purchased, and a tag of some beautiful clothing, a little trim on there with a little rusty paper clip and a ribbon tied to it. And in between the folios I have like 12 pages of tea stained paper for writing and decorating. Maybe some molding that's in the ceiling, a lovely vase with flowers, and a candelabra. Inside this pocket are a whole bunch of little house items. So we've got some curtains, a little pot, little teapot, some cup, a little piece of furniture. So these little items here you can use to decorate your pages inside, and that's just inside this little pocket here. And over here is a couple more ladies in their dresses, and this little tag that comes out, but you could definitely slip in your own photograph in there. And a little vintage button with some trim from a hanky, and another piece of furniture, 12 more pages, some nice trim with a place to write, or put ephemera there. And on the inside, the next folio is some more lovely flowers with another French receipt. These are digitals that I put on tea stained paper to make them look a little aged. And this little pocket flips out. And inside here are a couple of French advertisements of maybe some events that are taking place nearby. And another French receipt with places to write. And tucked inside this pocket is a glassine envelope with lots of little bits and pieces for you to use in decorating the pages inside there. And that just slips inside like so. And then this is a debutante, perhaps a daughter that lives at the chateau. And this photo comes out, and you can do some secret writing there on the back if you'd like. I'll put that in later. And here we have 12 more pages. Another lovely little tag with some lace on it that's attached with a rusty paper clip. And inside this pocket is a tag that sort of is like a tag booklet, and it has a few pages of writing opportunities inside that, and it just slips inside this pocket there. And here's a gross grain ribbon with some vintage buttons And tucked inside that little pocket is a couple of more as a digital calling card and another lovely vase that might be found on the mantle there. And here is the Eiffel Tower. Lovely little drawing. Slipped into the little shoe. It's so cute. And then another one of these tags with some pieces of paper to do some writing on. Lovely sketch, these two ladies, and some trim. Opens up. You can put some, maybe another photograph or do some writing inside there. And inside here in this pocket, this beautiful, this fabric, and it has a pastoral scene on it. Could be one of the curtains. And in here is the lady of the house's journal. And that has, I did not count them, but there's quite a few pages in here for journaling. A little label to identify it. And that just lives inside this cloth pocket. And that then is the end of this journal. Now, because of the soft spine, all these pages lay very flat, making it easier to write on and such. So that will be available in my shop. I had so much fun putting this together. I just think it came together nicely, and I just love this color of blue. It's just one of my favorite colors. So anyways, it'll be in my shop, and if you're interested, you can check it out there. And thank you so much for viewing. I really appreciate it, and I am working on the little Christmas journal next, and I'm getting ready to put in the pages inside there. So that'll be the next one up. Talk to you later. Bye.